It's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and today I'm going to be discussing toothpaste because oh my, whose children love eating toothpaste? I didn't know how common it was until I started speaking with people. So my daughter was once 3 years old and I walked into the bathroom to find her eating toothpaste. She had eaten half a tube. So grateful that she ate the Kid Sense toothpaste, and I asked her why she was eating it. She just looked at me and was like, yum. So I was discussing this situation with another mother who told me that her daughter once ate half a tube of toothpaste too. I was like, wow, but her toothpaste was a regular toothpaste. And on the back of the toothpaste tube, it stated, if swallowed, call Poisons Control Centre. Her toddler was admitted to hospital for the day. She was hooked up to heart monitors to be monitored for potential cardiac arrest. So today I'm going to discuss children's toothpaste. It is incredible that most people believe that their toothpaste is safe. But let's look at two of the common children's toothpaste. As you can see, this first toothpaste is for children who are 0 to 3 years. So this one has what I found to be 6 toxic ingredients. So the first one, PEG, is an acronym for polyethylene glycol. It is derived from petroleum, and warnings state to not use it on injured or damaged skin. It's made from the same chemical that is used to create antifreeze, and this chemical easily penetrates the skin and is linked to damage to the liver, kidneys, and brain. Sodium fluoride is linked to bone cancer, bone fractures, dental fluorosis, and neurotoxicity as shown by the chemical maze. Parabens, like methylparaben, ethylparaben, these are derived from petroleum and are linked to eczema, dermatitis, itching, hives, and rashes. The chemical maze app shows they are suspected to disrupt the endocrine system, and parabens are common preservatives that are linked to breast cancer. Saccharin is an artificial sweetener, and I personally stay clear of all artificial sweeteners. The chemical maze says saccharin is derived from petroleum. However, I found limited information on disodium saccharin. So even though saccharin is suspected to be toxic to the reproductive system, I cannot make the same conclusion about disodium saccharin. CI73360. This is just the red color that they add, and the Environmental Working Group, or EWG, classify this ingredient as expected to be toxic or harmful. CI47160 is also known as phthalocyanine blue BN. There is some evidence that exposure to phthalocyanines can cause serious birth defects in developing embryos. So are there any pregnant women who are using toothpaste with this ingredient? The next toothpaste I'm going to discuss is one for children up to 6 years of age. So this toothpaste has got, again, PEG in it, but the number is higher, and the higher the number with PEG products, the more toxic it is. So sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, is derived from palm oil or petroleum, and according to the chemical maze, it is suspected to be toxic to the liver, skin, and eyes. It is toxic to aquatic organisms. And where does the toothpaste go after we use it? It's linked to eczema, dermatitis, itching, hives, and rashes. Flavor. Now, flavor is a loophole for the company being able to add secret ingredients that are less than 5% of the product and not tell us what they are. So who knows what is in this ingredient or what it does to the body. Sodium fluoride, I discussed earlier, as a toxic ingredient. FD&C Blue number 1 was previously banned in Norway, and health concerns about Brilliant Blue were raised by a laboratory study showing that Brilliant Blue may interact with other additives such as MSG to interfere with the development of the nervous system. Do you all remember when the blue colour was removed from Smarties? That was FD&C Blue number 1, and yet it's still in this toothpaste. So when my children were younger, they used Kid Sense toothpaste, This formula is an all-natural toothpaste for kids that uses Thieves and Sleek Essence essential oil blends to gently clean and protect teeth. This safe yet effective blend promotes healthy teeth without the use of fluoride, dyes, synthetic colors, artificial flavors, or preservatives. And here are the ingredients of the KidSense toothpaste. So I'd love you to go and get your toothpaste or your children's toothpaste and see if it contains any toxic ingredients I've discussed today. Feel free to use sites like the Environmental Working Group or the Chemical Maze to check if your ingredients are safe or not. Have a wonderful day. Bye.